Look at this video. In this video, this man is trying to relieve the back pain by hanging this person upside down. This video is one of the example of many similar videos floating on the internet in the name of relieving back pain, curing disc prolapse and whatnot. It is very important to understand that these chiropractic manipulations are mostly benign, but once in a while, if you are unlucky, they can cause major damage in the form of a fracture, nerve injury or even paralysis. So it is very important that you avoid going to these quacks. Always consult a certified expert for your treatment.